doing things for Mom. Oh, bless you. Open it up. Bless you. A pretty bow. Right. There you go. Keys. A phone. Your very own phone. Look, it's a Patsy. Nail clippers. It's for your babies, Ada. A diaper. Yeah, it's all for your babies. You got baby powder and baby lotion. That is so cool. We'll have to get it out in a minute. Say thank you.
Thank you.
This is so cool.